If you shoot in low light with a Nikon Z-series camera, there's a feature that can make it much easier to compose and focus in dark conditions. It's built into several Nikon bodies, but often overlooked or misunderstood. In this video, I'll walk you through what it does, what cameras support it, how to set it up properly, and how to use it effectively, especially if you're working in low light or at night. Hi, Joe here from Shutter Speak Photography. It is very nice to see your smiling face again here on YouTube. I've photographed the National Hockey League, major New York City concerts, pop culture events, weddings, families, real estate, you name it. My work has been published in newspapers, magazines, and even on a concert t-shirt. If you're into photography gear, real-world techniques, and behind-the-scenes insight, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It helps out a lot. So, what is Starlight View? It's a display mode that brightens your screen, or EVF, so you can actually see what you're composing, even in very dark environments. And it's available on multiple Nikon Z-series cameras, not just the Z9. This makes it ideal for astrophotography, nighttime cityscapes, wildlife at dusk, real estate shoots after dark, and anytime you're trying to manually focus in near blackness. It gives you a clear, usable live view without affecting your exposure or histogram. That's important. Your actual photo stays the same. Starlight View just helps you see what you're doing. It brightens the viewfinder or LCD so you can actually see your screen in darkness. It doesn't alter your exposure, settings, or photo outcome. It allows autofocus to work in even lower light, up to minus 8.5 EV on the Z9. And it's fantastic for manual focus, especially when zoomed in. Now, the trade-off is that the display may look a little choppy. That's completely normal when the camera boosts brightness, and you'll want to turn it off in daylight to avoid misreading exposure by eye. The best part? Starlight View is built in. No accessories, no firmware hacks, no external monitors, just a few clicks in the menu. It's available on the Nikon Z9, the Z8, the Z6 III, and the retro-styled ZF. Each camera uses the same concept, but slightly different menu positions and capabilities. Let's go through each one. On the Z9, go to Custom Settings menu, then navigate to Shooting and Display, Starlight View, Photo Live. Highlight it, press OK, set it to on, press OK again. Your EVF or LCD will now brighten automatically in the dark conditions. You'll also get improved autofocus sensitivity, now working all the way down to minus 8.5 EV. That's basically night vision. On the Z8, the feature works almost identically to the Z9. Enter the Custom Settings menu, navigate to Shooting and Display, find Starlight View, depending on your firmware. Enable it the same way. Highlight, press OK, choose on. Autofocus on the Z8 also improves in low light, though Nikon doesn't officially state the same minus 8.5 EV benchmark. Still, users report excellent performance. For the Z6 III, it's in a slightly different spot, Custom Settings menu, Shooting and Display section, then look for D11, Starlight View. Same process, highlight, press OK, turn it on. While it may not match the Z9 in extreme low light AF sensitivity, it still significantly improves your ability to see and compose. On the Nikon ZF, Starlight View is also included. Menu position again may vary depending on your firmware. Go into Custom Settings menu, find Shooting and Display, and enable Starlight View. The ZF shares a lot of tech with the Z6 III, including this very helpful feature. And here's one more tip. If your camera supports it, enable Warm Display Colors Mode 2 when using Starlight View. On the Z9, you'll find it in the Custom Settings menu under Shooting and Display, labeled as Warm Display Colors. Select it and choose Mode 2. This mode turns the menus and icons red while keeping your photo and playback images unchanged. Why red? Because red preserves your night vision. It helps your eyes stay adapted to the dark and makes the display less harsh when you're switching between the EVF and the scene in front of you. If you want everything, including your photo, display, and playback to appear in warm red, choose mode 1 instead. But for most shooters, mode 2 is the sweet spot. It gives you less jarring interface in the dark while still letting you review your photos in normal color. Once Starlight View is active, what should you actually focus on? Try autofocus first, especially with a faster lens like an f1.8 or an f1.2. The camera will now lock focus in darker conditions than usual, so aim your AF point at a bright or high contrast area, stars, light sources, buildings, edges, or anything with clear contrast. If autofocus still struggles, switch to manual focus. Press the magnify button and adjust until your subject is sharp. Even zoomed in, the brightened view helps you dial in precise focus. Remember, Starlight View only affects the display, not your exposure. Your histogram remains accurate, so always double check focus before shooting, especially in critical situations. Here's the recap. Starlight View brightens your display without affecting your actual image. It's ideal for shooting in extreme low light. On the Z9, it also improves autofocus all the way to minus 8.5 EV. It's available on the Z9, Z8, Z6 III, and ZF with slight menu differences. And when combined with warm display colors mode 2, it becomes even more comfortable and practical for nighttime work. Just turn it on when you're shooting in the dark and off when you're not. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. It's one of the features that quietly transforms your shooting experience, especially when light is gone. All right, so if you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more gear walkthroughs, and drop your questions in the comments. Also check out my Nikon Z Facebook group. The link's in the comments below. We've got a great crew of Z shooters sharing advice, photos, and tips like this every day. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you used Starlight View before? Which Z camera are you shooting with, and how do you think this feature helps your work? Let's talk in the comments. Thanks again for watching. I truly appreciate your time, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep shooting, even when the stars are your only light.